FabTech 6-inch lift and oversized tires. 5.4 L58 EFI 24V, 4-wheel drive, anti-lock brake system brakes, and remote keyless entry. Perfect truck. I'm ready to work. Confused about which vehicle to buy? Well, look no further than this trusty 2005 Ford F-150. It scored the top rating in the IIHS frontal offset test. This truck is nicely equipped with features such as 5.4 L58 EFI 24V, 4-wheel drive, anti-lock brake system brakes, remote keyless entry, 4 speakers, 4-wheel disc brakes, air conditioning, AM/FM radio, AM/FM stereo clock, single CD, bumpers, chrome, CD player, delay-off headlights, driver door bin, driver vanity mirror, dual front impact airbags, front anti-roll bar, front center armrest, front reading lights, front wheel independent suspension, fully automatic.